In this video, we will learn 15 tips to customize the Windows 10 Start menu. The Start menu contains all your apps, settings, and files. It's worthwhile spending a little bit of time to customize the Start menu. Think of the Start menu as the launchpad to using your computer efficiently. Let's get started with the 15 tips. Number 1. Open the Start menu. There are a couple of ways to open the Start menu. The first way is to click the Start button. The Windows 10 Start menu is organized basically into 3 areas. A left pane where the user profile, favorite folders, settings button, and power options are docked. The middle area contains the apps list. The right area contains the tiles of the apps that have been pinned to the Start menu. We will take a look at all these areas in more detail later in the video. To close the Start menu, click the Start button again. The second way to open the Start menu is to press the Windows key on the keyboard. To close the Start menu, press the Windows key on the keyboard once again. Number 2. Open Apps. To open an app from the Start menu, click the Start button. The recently added and most used apps appear at the top of the apps list. Below, all the apps and folders on your computer appear alphabetically in the apps list. Click an app to open it. Let's open Microsoft Access. The application is now ready to use. Number 3. Pin and unpin apps to the Start menu. To pin an app to the Start menu, just simply select it from the apps list and right-click it, then select Pin to Start. The app is now pinned to the Start menu as a tile. To unpin the tile from the Start menu, simply right-click it and then click Unpin from Start. The tile is then removed from the Start menu. Number 4. Resize an app tile. App tiles on the Start menu can be resized. Let's resize the calculator tile by right-clicking it, then going to Resize, then changing it to large. Now the calculator tile is a large size. Now I will right-click it once again, go back to Resize and switch it back to medium, since the medium size seems to fit a little bit better with my start screen. You can play around with the tile sizes on your start screen to see what works best for you. Number 5. Resize the Start menu. You can hover the mouse pointer on the top border of the Start menu until you get the double arrows, then click and then drag up if you want to increase the height of the Start menu, or drag down if you want to decrease the height of the Start menu. Similarly, you can hover the mouse pointer to the right edge of the Start menu and then select and then drag to the left to reduce the width of the Start menu, and then drag to the right to increase the width of the Start menu. Notice how the tiles were repositioned automatically. Number 6. Name a tile group. App tiles can be arranged in groups. It may be helpful to group similar apps to make it easy to find them on the Start menu. To add a group title, hover the mouse pointer slightly above the tile group. Name Group Displays. Click in that area to add a group title, then press Enter or click outside the group title box to save. To edit the group title, just click the title, edit, then press Enter or click outside the title box. Number 7. Move an app tile. To move an app tile, select and drag the tile to the desired location on the Start menu. For example, we can select the YouTube tile and then drag it to the Websites group. Also, we can select the Word tile and then drag it to the Productivity group. The Windows 10 Start screen makes it very simple to move tiles and group them with similar apps. Number 8. Turn off a live tile. Live tiles display dynamic information. Examples of live tiles are news, calendar, email, weather, etc. To turn off a live tile, right-click the live tile, go to More, turn live tile off. The tile will no longer display real-time updates. To turn on a live tile again, right-click the tile, go to More, then select Turn Live Tile On. The tile will resume receiving updates. Number 9. Change account settings. To change account settings, click the User Profile button on the left side of the Start menu, then click Change Account Setting. Here you can add or change a photo, change password, and make changes to your Microsoft account if you have one. Number 10. Lock computer. To lock the computer, click your User Profile button on the left side of the Start menu, then click Lock. Locking your computer is a good practice while you are away from it. Your Windows 10 password will be required to unlock it. Number 11. Sign out. To sign out of Windows 10, click your User Profile button, then click Sign Out. Number 12. File Explorer. To go to the File Explorer, go to the left side of the Start menu, then click Documents. Number 13. Settings. To manage Windows 10 settings, go to the left side of the Start menu, then click the Settings button. You will be brought to the Windows Settings screen, where you can view settings related to the system, devices, personalization, internet, security updates, and more. Number 14. Power. To turn off your computer as well as view sleep and restart options, click the Power button on the left side of the Start menu. Number 15. Add favorite folders. To add frequently accessed folders to the Start menu, click Settings. Then the Windows Settings screen appears. Here you can click Personalization, then Start, and then click the link which says Choose which folders appear on Start. You'll get a list of folders which you can toggle on and off. When you toggle a folder on, it will appear on the Start menu. Let's toggle on Pictures. Then we'll exit out of this. Go back to the Start menu, and you will see that the Pictures folder is on the Start menu. Now you have a basic understanding of how to customize the Windows 10 Start menu. I hope these tips have been useful. Please subscribe, comment, and like. It helps the channel, plus more people can have the opportunity to learn by viewing these tutorials. Thanks for watching.